40-year-old singer, too old and too ugly. Talk about blowing me one last kiss.
Hi, Funded Justice. My name is Collette McLafferty. I am raising $3,500 to continue to defend myself against a $10 million lawsuit that I've been fighting for close to 2 years. I've paid over $9,000 in legal fees from my own money and from fundraising, and now I'm in the last stretch as my case is finally going before a judge. The plaintiff is a personal injury attorney who is representing himself at minimal cost while I have had to hire lawyers for thousands of dollars. I have never met the plaintiff to this day. 2 years in litigation. So what was I sued for, you might ask? I accepted a job in a Pink tribute band, completely unaware that the band leader who hired me for the job had very bad blood with this individual, his former bandmate. I was paid $75 for the show I was sued for, and let's go over these numbers for a second. $75 for doing a job, $12,000 in legal fees for defending myself for doing that job, and $10 million in damages sought for doing a $75 job. I was served with a 112-page complaint with 13 serious allegations against me. It was also alleged in legal documents that I was a lousy singer and too unattractive to perform in this Pink tribute band, so he wasn't a fan. I requested an extension to file for a motion to dismiss, and since the plaintiff was representing himself, he denied my request. And at this point, I learned I could be in the legal system for years. He also had mentioned the possibility of a second lawsuit and had stated to my lawyer that it was because of the actions of the band leader who hired me that I now found myself in the unenviable position of being in his crosshairs. And once again, I do want to reiterate that I still have never met the plaintiff/lawyer to this day. The New York Post wrote a very tabloidy account of the case with the headline, "Singer sued for being too old and too ugly for Pink tribute band." There was a photo of me that had appeared to have been altered in some way to fit that headline. This went viral worldwide, so now not only am I getting sued, but my reputation was destroyed on a global scale. I tell my story because what happened to me could happen to you. Innocent people and small businesses all over the country are being dragged into the legal system when they have no business being there. Many are afraid to speak out, so I'm speaking out for them, and this needs to stop. I'm working with the Lawsuit Reform Alliance of New York to discourage abusive litigation. So a contribution to my legal fees is not just a contribution to my case, it's a contribution to ending the culture of frivolous lawsuits in New York and hopefully the United States. Thank you so much for watching my video. I wish you a happy, healthy, and frivolous litigation-free 2016.